we're going to be taking on the persona of Leon, and Leon's job is really the delivery and fulfillment of these orders coming through from B2B. So in this demonstration, we're going to be seeing firstly how Alicia can make a change to an order by calling the call center and having a telesales agent pick up that order and make some adjustments to it. And then we're going to be looking at Leon as he logs into the delivery app, and he uses that to manage his visits, plan his deliveries, load up his van, and ultimately fulfill that delivery and all of the products to Alicia in her store. So let's dive into the demonstration and take a look at this scenario. So let's dive into the demonstration. And as I mentioned, we are going to start here logged in as Leon, one of our fulfillment managers. And Leon is looking at the Fresh Start Shop Southeast, which is Alicia's store, because Alicia has just rung in and has asked to make some changes to her latest order. So on the screen, Leon is able to very quickly and easily have an overview of the account, which has all come through from that B2B portal. He can see previous things that have been stocked at the store. He can see the last completed order, which we'll look at in a second, account balances, previous visits, deliveries, etc. All of this is available, so he has a good understanding of Alicia's history when she rings in. And he can see the previous order here that was placed recently is order 384, and he's able to click through into that. And that is going to open up the configuration screen where he can see the activated order that Alicia placed in that B2B portal. So this has the exact same promotion, the exact same products that were added to the cart with the right pricing and the right assortments. So Leon can ask Alicia, what would you like to change about this order? And she can give some details. So perhaps she's looking to add a few more products on there. So he can do that directly from the catalog into the cart. And she said perhaps she wants to update her promotion as well. So instead of 10, she really liked that promotion. She wants to have 20 of that instead. So he can go ahead and he can update that. The new price is listed, which he can relay to Alicia, and he can update that. And just like that, the new discounts have come into effect. The new order discounts have been applied as well because she's purchased more items. She's getting 25% off that order. Tax has been updated, and everything looks good to Alicia. So Leon can go ahead and say, great, let me complete that order for you. You're on track with your delivery. It's going to be delivered tomorrow as scheduled, and now with the correct products that you've just updated here today. So we'll now move over from the telesales experience where Leon was able to very quickly and easily update an order that had come in through the B2B portal. And we're going to move on to the delivery experience where we're going to look at a delivery manager and how they can use the mobile app to complete this delivery. Okay, so here I am now logged in as the delivery manager, and I'm using the Aforza mobile application to go about my deliveries for the day. On this homepage, the first thing I need to do is load up my van so I can see all the products I need to deliver today, including that order from Alicia that is our first stop on the route. So I can go ahead, I've loaded the van. At any point in time, I can view my van manifest to see what's currently on stock in my van. And I can also keep track of my virtual wallet and my deliveries completed using our KPIs. So I can see my route here, and the very first stop I need to make is to Alicia's store to perform that visit and to execute the delivery. So if I go ahead and I start that visit, I can check in when I get there after navigating there, and I can see I have a number of tasks to do. The very first task is deliver that order to Alicia from the B2B self-service. So when I click on the deliver order, I can see what I'm going to need to do. I need to unload, I need to deliver, and then I need to review. And I can go through that process. So I can start the delivery and I can check all of these off as I go. Perhaps there was a damaged item in the car. So actually we are going to say there's only 19 of those. And once this is done, I can continue to unload those items. And now I can then move to Alicia and have her accept delivery of each of these items. Now, again, she can go through perhaps, again, some of these items are damaged, or, there's an incorrect item, or there's something out of date. We could save all these issues as part of the delivery so that Alicia is only getting the correct products that she needs, and we don't have to go through a lengthy returns process. Now, once I've completed that, I can see that we've delivered 135 of the items, 7 were rejected, And Alicia can go in here and enter her details, collecting her signature as part of the process. And we can go ahead and complete that delivery and move on with the rest of the visit. So now Alicia, after placing that B2B order in the self-service portal, has now gone through and made changes to it via the Telesales. So she's called in and made some updates to it. And then it's been fulfilled using the delivery management within the Aforza mobile application. All of this was completely seamless and end-to-end on the single Aforza platform. So now let's move on to scenario 3, and we can look at Alicia's experience after that order's been delivered and after it's been selling in the store for a period of time. Okay, so once again, just to recap, what you just saw was Alicia able to make a change to her order by calling a call center. So that exact same B2B order was available to her immediately. And then Leon being able to fulfill that new updated order using the Aforza offline delivery management experience, where he was able to see the order, see the products, and place that delivery in situ for Alicia.